Today I have the new iPad. It's a supercomputer to use at home or at work. But first, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week and I will show you everything about this tablet, from unboxing, specifications, analysis, connectivity and demonstrations, to know everything about this iPad. I have here the new iPad. This is the 64GB model, but there is also a 256GB version. And it's the 9th generation iPad with Wi-Fi. But I will open the box to see everything that comes inside the box. To open the box, first I have to cut the plastic. I make a cut in the plastic so I can tear it. And now just pull the plastic all the way around and the box is able to be opened. So let's do that. Let's open this iPad box to see everything that's included in the box. We take off the lid and here is the iPad protected in a paper film. Later we'll see it in detail. Underneath is a small box with information leaflets, the user guide and the Apple stickers in white. I'll save it for now. We don't need the user guide. It has a power charger, a small transformer that we also will see in detail later, and a power and data cable, which is Lightning to USB-C cable. And that's all that comes in the box. There's nothing left in the box. And so what came inside the box of this 9th generation iPad? An iPad, a power charger, a Lightning to USB-C cable, and some leaflets with information. The iPad comes with a power charger and a cable for power and data. Starting with the charger, it is protected in a paper film. It is a small piano-white charger with a USB-C connection. This charger is the Apple A2347 model, a 20-watt charger, which has a power output of 5 volts 3 amps or 9 volts 2.2 amps. It also has a data and power cable, which is a cable with a USB-C plug to connect to the charger and a lightning plug to connect to the iPad. And this cable, it's only 1 meter long. For this reason, you will have to place the iPad close to the power source. Let's see the features of the iPad 9, the 9th generation iPad, and later I will talk in detail about all the specifications. Let's start by taking off the protective film. We'll peel off the film that protects the tablet, peel it off all the way around, and here's the iPad. So beautiful. This iPad has a screen with a diagonal of 10.2 inches. It's a multi-touch screen. It has an Apple A13 Bionic processor, 3 GB of RAM, with storage up to 256 GB. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The screen is Retina display multi-touch. You can use multiple fingers for interaction. It has a 32 watt-hour battery and it comes with the iPad OS 16 operating system. We already seen that the screen is tactile and multi-touch. I can interact with 1, 2 or 3 fingers. The diagonal of the screen measures 10.2 inches. The screen is backlit with LED light. It has a resolution of 2160 by 1620 pixels. It's a true tone screen that adjusts brightness. It has 500 nits of brightness. The screen surface has a oleophobic protection for fingerprint-resistant coating, and it's compatible with the first generation Apple Pencil. But who is this iPad aimed at? Who is the target consumer? It is that person who wants to use the internet, read and respond to emails, watch movies, play games, but also draw. With a medium-sized screen, this iPad is targeted for more than 95% of customers. This was another video about the new iPad, but there will be more videos to know everything about this tablet. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Like the video, and if you have any question, write in the comments.